Hello. In this video, I will be explaining how to do an alternative financing plans problem that you might come across in your Accounting 2 class. Let's get started. Let's say that Desmond Corporation is considering the following alternative financing plans. Plan 1 is issue 10% bonds at face value, $1,120,000. Issue preferred $1 $10 par, no entry. Issue common stock, $5 par, $1,120,000. Plan 2 is issue 10% bonds at face value, $560,000. Issue preferred $1 $10 par, $930,000. Issue common stock, $5 par, $750,000. For both plans, income tax is estimated at 40% income. Now we must determine the earnings per share of common stock, assuming that income before bond interest and income tax is $896,000. So, for Plan 1, we have $896,000 for the earnings before bond interest and income tax. Then we must find the interest on bonds by multiplying $1,120,000 by 10%, which comes out to $112,000. Next, we must subtract $112,000 from $896,000, which comes out to $784,000 for the income before income tax and after bond interest. Next, we must find income tax, which we do by multiplying $784,000 by 40%, which comes out to $313,600. Now we must subtract $313,600 from $784,000, which comes out to $470,400 for the net income. We don't have any dividends on preferred stock, so $470,000 is still available for dividends on common stock. Now we have to find the shares of common stock outstanding, which we do by dividing $1,120,000 by $5, which comes out to $224,000 for the number of shares. Now we need to find the earnings per share, which we do by dividing $470,400 by 224,000 shares, which comes out to $2.10 per share on common stock. So for Plan 2, we also begin with $896,000 for the earnings before bond interest and income tax. Firstly, we need to find the interest on bonds by multiplying $560,000 by 10%, which comes out to $56,000. Next, we must subtract $56,000 from $896,000, which comes out to $840,000 for the income before income tax and after bond interest. Next, we must find the income tax by multiplying $840,000 by 40%, which comes out to $336,000. Now, we must subtract $336,000 from $840,000, which comes out to $504,000 for the net income. For Plan 2, we do have to find the dividends on preferred stock, which we do by dividing $930,000 by $10, which comes out to $93,000. Then we need to subtract $93,000 from $504,000, which comes out to $411,000 for the income available for dividends on common stock. Now we have to find the shares of common stock outstanding, which we do by dividing $750,000 by $5, which comes out to $150,000 for the number of shares. Lastly, we need to find the earnings per share, which we do by dividing $411,000 by 150,000 shares, which comes out to $2.74 per share on common stock. From this, we can see that Plan 2 has a higher earnings per share than Plan 1 does, making it the more favorable plan. I hope this video explained everything you needed to know about alternative financing plans. Thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day.